Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to touch on the things that you should not do in order for you to receive a reward from God. Be careful not to do your acts of righteousness before men, to be seen by them. If you do, you will have no reward from your Father in heaven. Acts of righteousness has to do with doing great things or good things. But in this case, with a wrong motive, that is a motive of being seen by people. And that same motive tells or clarifies that you are a deceiver or a pretender. So when you give to the need, do not announce it with trumpets, as the hypocrites do in the synagogues and on the streets, to be honored by men. I tell you the truth, they have received their reward. Individuals, organizations, and churches are still blowing trumpets when they give those in need. They do it in this way. They record every scene with their cameras and then publish those scenes on social media and media. By so doing, us will know that they are givers, they are righteous people, they are doing so good things in the society. So their motive is to be seen by people. And when you pray, do not be like hypocrites, for they love to pray standing in the synagogues and on the street corners to be seen by men. I tell you the truth, they have received their reward in full. Nowadays, some have developed new way of doing it, new way of satisfying their motive. They are now doing it in this way. They are now praying even more louder so that they can be heard by other people.